Hi, I'm going to talk about connecting the water supply to CB8 Cabbing machine via the pump method. Now, pump method will give you a better water flow, and it is the second most recommended way to connect your water to the cabbing machine. The first thing you need to do is to connect your 6mm tubing to the back of the cabbing machine via the quick connect. Then place your pump inside of a bucket, put on your quick connect with the 6mm adapter, and put your 6mm tubing into the 6mm adapter, fill the bucket with water, and you are ready to go. One thing you probably want to do that I have not done in this video is you want to secure your pump in place. The pump rotates and it can move around, so before you implement this method, make sure that you secure your pump in place. This can be just a simple bracket that holds the pump and keeps it from rotating around. Very simple method, and it is the second most recommended method for connecting water to your CB8 cabbing machine. I'll talk about the other methods in other videos.